Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add money in Google Play account in 2025. So first of all, you need to come to your Google Play account, and after that you have to just click on your profile, and as you can see here the payment and subscription options. You have to just go there, and as you can see in payment method you have to add your debit or credit card, like giving your card number and the year and then the CVC code, and after the billing address you have to click on save, and after that you should be available your credit or debit card on your account. So after that you can add cash to your pay balance. So currently you'll only get this option if you have the latest Google Play app and you are located in any of the countries listed below. So for Japan it says denominations 500,000, 3,000, Indonesia 10,000 idea, 25,000 idea and more in Malaysia and Mexico. So let's just get right into the topic. So for buying Play Credit with virtual bank account transfer, it's only for Indonesia. You have to go to open the Google Play Store app, and at the top left of the menu you can see the payment method by Google Play Credit. Choose an amount and select OK. You'll receive a virtual card account number as payment code, which will be your Google Play account card or something. And after that, make payment using the code with your banking app. It can be internet banking or through ATM machines. So after that you have another option like buy Play Credit with cash. So for that you have to open the Google Play app, and after that you will see at the top right you have to tap the profile icon, tap to payment subscription, payment method, add payment method, as I've already shown you that. So after that you just come down, and you can also make an in-app purchase with cash. So for that you have to find the in-app item you want to purchase with cash and start the purchase process. You have to tap pay at convenience store brand, select a store, and if this is your first time, add your name and postal code, and then tap get payment code at the convenience store. You have to follow the instruction. They have told you that it may take up to 5 minutes to complete your purchase and receive an email about the completed transaction. It might take a few hours or up to a day to reflect the purchased item in the app. And last of all, they say find the code to add cash or cancel your transaction. So for that you have to go on your Android phone or tablet, open the Google Play Store app. At the top right, tap the profile icon, tap payment and subscriptions, go on the budget and history, then purchase history, and after that you are on the transaction. Tap C code to cancel a cash ad, tap cancel. So that's it for today guys. See you on the next video.